too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so ena ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho ana de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH
Any Adom Muniaba a PS Kappa and a Mutimina, a bra, a drew so a Ghana Wahala Jumedi, and I a day ever so na what tree and as an annual memenda and Simbi a coso a year late Bishop Bernard Nyakum, na what trade that a call so I just say. Enkrofo di atentwie ewo ye ne mpotamo honoma wo mo ekwa busuafo hom akwachecha wo mo ne nia ekeka ehu na ansana na wotweda no eba bedru no presenter wo Peace FM Entertainment Review side one no abaya nana Yaa Brefo Yeni abayi ekoye na tese wo woni radio so woni nkrofo edi nkita ho no na Mcbrown efreye ewo ma na wo so oche na de wo nkita odi anade na ekoso no na wode nsem etu edwa no wo busebusa abaya ne ensemfo bi na wei amagana fo hu ne say she was unprofessional and as ni dwumadie no when di niye enu nti abrante bi ababonten twe ne yire say abaya no wonko ni kotodwanim na wompa acho abusuafo mama yembonra ensem ni hu ensemfo a abaya ne busa no a enu nti amacha opanyina abamu yembonra ensem no emu Arnold Baidoo edia wode ni nsema wode etu eja NSM apologize to Mcbrown for your unprofessionalism we ene eye ensema aya abrante no editu dwa wo kache eye nana Yaa Brefo fa eye nkita wode woni nana Mcbrown edi ye emra na wo hosti eye program one wo mo etwetwe nkomo efa Bishop Bernard Nyakum ni wo no ehun ntoto ye ne wo mo a wo ma ye pepa se wo mo ebekọ eye nu ebi na se de munim no ye nua ba ma iwu ye nsensem bebre ebebeto edwa ebinom se na Mcbrown mo nsem mo de beto dwa se na nkomo aye ready so mo pese mo boa eye Bernard Nyakum emra na wo yare se ne be yankomo ebetimi de no akọ yare sabia na so betimi afla no de na akọ yi na ebinom se enya no kre ebinom se aye no kre ebiom nso so no sabebeto edwa na Mcbrown de tuja se no ofre abusuafo na wo mo emfi wo ma na se wo mo responde etu wo mo calls no because of say na wo mo mpese wo mo behu kuma wood for enim ewo ho na eno ma ne nua be ma kwampo babode be ka say enya ntro na Mcbrown wo amfre bia ni sensem bebre na eno mo na Yaa Brefo wono so hosting the program na Mcbrown efre esimun wo busebusa ne ensemfo ebi na eno wodi etu edwa ebusa no se wo nyoma bebra baba beto abonten a wo twemu se wo frɛ Bishop Bernard Nyakum ne line na wo mo mpeke afi wo from amesoso a excuses na wo de ema wo a wo nye na adwen se wo pese wo mamo ebebehwe ne ba na wo yare eno na no kra no etisenti na maguso a wo kasa wo cheche nsemu no wo busa na se enti sei sisa wo afro bishop dia and one for bishop number and two eja na etiefo a wo mo etie no ewo ni show no so no ehun se ampa woni bishop ewo nkita ho ana se ampa se wo bishop number na no ema na Mcbrown eyi na no se wonim se enya de se question a wo bu sei wo betimi eyi ano because ehun ehia enya relevant question a wo se wo yi ano ebiemu yenua na Yaa Brefo ekoso ebusa ni biemu se enti ye Bishop Bernard Nyakum ni wo na wo no na wo tweda no obekọ bia na eno nso so na Mcbrown eto ne twene baabi ma ne ti ase se obekọ se wonko ni nyina ewo no ne ho no na bibia no ni decision ena wo beteki na ensem wei etu odwa no ena Ghana fo hu ni se adabi abaya no oso ye obo ne ho nsamrane ena say ena we wumu nso a presenting work no guni mu ye because say the present ade no busa question no wo mu ni se wo ye unprofessional na eno ena ma Arnold Baidoo our no so no hunu na Yaa Brefo ni interview on na Mcbrown have no ni bufu ye ehye na worobama ni hu say na sasa ankrofo bi say company de adwuma ahye wo mo nsa dia na ade papa pen na wo mo betimi aye because wo interview bi na wo bebusa ni nsimfo e wo so wunya ensem am Ghana for petie Ghana for ye den enya wo mo bebusa na wo gina mo as Ghanaian wo gina mo e de ama Ghana for timamfo ebusa wo bi question na ensemhunu we na wo kwakwa busa de wo hu ni say e unprofessional na ankase bia na amanso so ehunu na no yia na ankase se wo de abaya no akwakoto asemu enti abaya na Yaa Brefo won bra bontin na won be apologize emfa enche na Mcbrown say ne nsem a wo busa no na emfa kom na entwe yi enti wo se na ara wo live radio so anase TV so na mama yinkotie Arnold Baidoo ne nsem a wo de etu edwam. It was wrong, it was too wrong. I think Yaa Brefo should apologize the way she handled herself on the program didn't show any professionalism. It didn't show maturity. We any entertainment journalist and din Arnold Baidoo nensama wodi etu ejana chese wankyere na Yaa Brefo ne nsemu sa wo busa na Mcbrown ankyere so wo ye mature ankyere se journalism adwuma no wonim so asa akwara bia ye de mic ahye ne nsa se won be ma speech ya kyere ne de won ka na se bibisa na waba begina ho no wakasa enti wo hu ne sem ni dwumadia wodi ye no it wasn't a matured way and it was unprofessional and so ema ye hu se wo ye journalist and as ema ye hu se wo ye centroni presenter okeka enwomasi ani ede babetu edwa ema atiefo etie enti nensem a upon the programs a waye nyina no all those one condemn no but that particular program now one na hwefo enunti na Mcbrown efre ya no wo se wo no so etre na adwen ede efa ho na ensemisa wo busa ye na ankoye no hu ne sem wo emramu no anase nidie mu no wo mra bonten na wo memepa abaya no acho ema Ghana for hu se ne nsema wo busa ye na entwe ye it wasn't the right way say wo busa that question no she wasn't in the right way to ask that question na eno wo din some way atu edwa no Ghana for binum so eso ensem ni mu eje na ababa edinisi akunya so ehwe ye etoto no ma hwe se ensem a Arnold Baidoo ede etu dwa no no kre anase enye no kre no mo so due nsem mu hwe no mu se ampa abaya no hu behia krampo se edi ye bi krampo a yenyi na di because ne nyama se do busa question no busa no by heart as an one dream wo fiti ya no ato dia mam efri ne yam ba ya na ne straight no odi ama no obusa enti omu ne se onye professional se wo ye de ye de besi radio so TV so won be casting news and say won fa entertainment bb emfa embre Ghana for ye nua Emmanuel Obusu ede awode eba ye ose her attitude kill me pa she lacked professionalism as a presenter ye nua Bernard and so ede ode eba ye ose one of the infertile and useless people on our screen is that woman. Because of her, I have stopped watching Adom TV. She doesn't even have marketing face on TV to attract audience. Or not so no. Or when they say abaya no kran ne no people all more ye krampa na say e kunu sunsun wo no kramponti we jai Adom TV ehwem ye nya Juliet Ado ode about say that lady there is not good at all the way she talks. She talks anyhow like a villager. I don't know where they picked her from. Yenya guest PJ77 and so Edward they by or say it is an opportunity. If not, this thing can't come on air to talk anyhow to anyone. Or no so Edward. Lesters Washington Edward they or say I love watching Adom TV, but I didn't like the way the interview goes at all. Nana didn't kill Bishop, so why such questions? Or no so no yenya set ye boa Edward de eba ye was saying that girl cry. I don't know where these Adom people saw her that they took her as their presenter because he doesn't have the qualification and how she talk is barbaristic on also so idea no akosia damia ode ebe say that woman is just unprofessional, and that's very stupid of her. She should try and learn some manners. Ono so no no abusuafo ye best say aya atindije no na mato mu boa say nyeni nyina na be ka Charles odie say memfa entu edwa Christopher enso de eba was say honestly Nana ya didn't conduct herself well. Even though I like her, I wish she will apologize to Mcbrown ono so edie no yenu abi so de by ni din enka ho was say this lady there, for the first time I saw her, I know she wouldn't be a good help to Adom TV. She's always annoying. The way she talks even puts me off, and I turn off my television because I don't see any sense in what she says. And also so Edia what they eba no. Yeah, me I held that the other eba say I think the best profession for her is football, because you see that hard face. That's the only thing that she can do. And also so while share abaya ni so ne tebia ne ye no ohun ne say ball in a bit ni abon bo hwe nanim den say de oye na nyoma ACFA no ani dwumadi a wo betimi aye de afa ho abusuafo ye nua ba na Yaa Brefo ne question na wodi ebusa na mama Mcbrown say owo benanyako number 1 for entudwa ebiom nso so obusa say benanyako ne funu ana na yiye no wo be attend bi mechene na wo tweda no wo be kobie no eno nso so na wo hu ne say eni kwan say anka wo busa sa ensem no as a matured and a professional lady, as a presenter no dear eni kwan say wo de sa ensem we tudwa eno ema Arnold Baidoo a wo ye entertainment journalist wono so so edina no atumu bia wo hu ne say abaya na ehu ebehia so wombra bonten na wombra emerepa na mama Mcbrown acho efa ho na commenter ebaya no tumi se dudu na bebre na epenasem na so sada no ne ya woda na die no kire say wonye good and also wonye qualified to be a presenter won so awofi sai na wo hu no because me amigina he krampo no sa questions we wotoma ne me nya de semede meyi ano ede ama enti no kwan so senko obusa na mama Mcbrown sa ensemfo ano, because so obi enkrofo kaka se wakunu wo yese na wo friend ni pan wo ne na wo dwuma mu amoye, because na ma se wo ye television show ne hu nko ne by United Show Business yi na wa ba na wa friend ni pan na wo otutu na no a sa questions na wo busa ye no na hu ni se enam ne kwan so ano no na se na ehu ehia na ugina Arnold nensemfo a wode ato edwan say na Yaa Brefo or Ap0logise no wone ne ya adwen anasa wone no enye adwen for wadwen tire no eto too much GH comment section say the wudwen FBA enye bufo kwan so enye ntokwa kwan so enyina adwen tire ntu tumi de wode eba say de obi kan say me kan ye na anya wode anasa me kan ye na wone menya adwen a na wo so wode wadwen tire no atudwa no address no how a ka open no na yenso so ya go from there ebiam so share from abusuafo all the social media platforms, say your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter, bia na follow your Instagram page too much GH_ na emre permanent yet my dream channel ebe to eja aha ene de djumedi ni besi makram.